Hey guys and girls, welcome back to today's video. So, yeah, I was just outside, so let's go outside. Yeah, it's more of a cloudy day. Yeah. Well, there's a cloud. Yeah. So about when my eyes have dilate to the sun. Yeah. But yeah. Oh, you guys wanna see Godzilla? I actually haven't been out to Godzilla too much. Oh, holy, he's noisy. Yeah, guys. And we have wasps. So, yeah, that's why I won't open that door. But there and yeah. Okay. Yeah. There's Godzilla. And it's fresh gold. In it's yeah. Yeah, guys and girls. I'm allergic to bees. So if I wasn't allergic, I would go take care of a nest. Well, here, guys. I can. Yeah, there. Yeah, I don't want to mess with them. Yeah, that. Not today. Yeah, guys and girls, I swell. I went with when I was like 10, 15, or something like that. Well, I went and I basically went touch the fence to push off. Like, hey guys, I'll do it like this. So, I had pushed off because I was running and I saw, yeah, guys, but I was fine till I went and opened my hand and that middle finger got like all swelled up and red, and I honestly didn't know what even happened. Yeah, guys. Yeah, but I'm not allergic, like, to wasps, to, like, bees or ants or nothing of that. Yeah, guys. At least I hope I'm not. Yeah. Let's go inside. Oh, here's JT. Yeah, guys. JT. He's still living. Yeah, why do we have a broom? There is cobwebs. Yeah, we got White House, and trust me, White Side sucks for spiders. Yeah, I absolutely hate spiders. Not allergic, I just don't like them. Yeah. Oh, we had put Odin's tray, or JT's. Isn't that? Yeah. But no, we had put JT's food up here, water up here. Yeah. Yeah, because Odin, he's still a puppy and he likes to take a bath in JT's water dish. And yeah, it was so fun. Yeah, and I'm wearing all black. I'm wearing black hat, well, white logo, black t-shirt, black jeans, black shoes, and white socks. Yeah, yeah, so I normally never wear a hat. Like, whenever you guys see me out in public, I don't wear a hat. It be really rare to see me wear a hat. Yeah, but I got a ton of hats, and I honestly don't know what I want to do with them. I know I'm gonna keep them, but yeah, maybe I can. Yeah, guys. Well, right now I have a shelf for them, but that's at the other place, so we're moving. Yeah, guys. So that should be so much fun. I get a totally new room, and it's gonna be like so lit. Yeah. Yeah, guys and girls. I also have one tattoo. Yeah, it's pretty humongous. Yeah, I'm actually going to go get color sometime. I don't really know when, but also I'm gonna get a new tattoo, probably right on my arm. No, no, right on my belly. Yeah, I'm joking. Yeah, guys and girls. So yeah. Yeah, I uploaded twice today, and there will be a new video tomorrow. So, you awesome people are so inspiring, so awesome, you're unique. You're beautiful. You're kind. Yeah, don't forget that. Because trust me, there's so many people out there that just bring others down for their own confidence, and I'm not like that. So, guys, if you guys have not tapped that like button, that's all I want you guys do today is everyone tap that like button and type "stay classy" in the comments below. But otherwise, please like, subscribe, and catch you guys in next one. Stay classy. You guys are amazing.